This is Shyllon. I'm a 100 level computer science. The name of this course is Introduction to Problem Solving, and today we are holding a workshop on how we can incorporate problem solving and tech. So far, my experience has been really good, especially working with my teammates, and we've been able to see different ways in which we can incorporate problem solving and creativity to fix certain problems in our world. So this workshop was based on creativity, and the course is problem solving. So it was how we can use creativity to solve the problems in our everyday life.
Hello everyone, my name is Ruth Olotu. I'm a student of Computer Science 100 level Panatlantic University, and today at the Yemisi Shyllon Art Museum, my classmates and I engaged in a creative workshop. So the relationship between this creative workshop and the course that I'm studying here today, which is CSC 102 Introduction to Problem Solving, is essentially describing yourself in terms of creativity. When you look at a piece of art, what does it tell you? What problems can you see there? How do you identify those problems? How would you, as a computer scientist, solve those problems? Because we believe that you can tell a lot about a person by the way they analyze things and by the way they solve the problems they find in the things that they analyze. And that's essentially the same thing with coding. When you're debugging code, when you're developing code in itself, you can tell a lot about code by the person who writes it. Same thing here that we're trying to discover as well. Just trying to boost our creativity, discover more about ourselves as computer scientists, and also sort of delve into the artistic part of ourselves that we may not have realized that we had before.
Hello everyone, I am Nebolisa Kosoku, and I am a student of the Panatlantic University 100 level Computer Science, and we took part in a workshop in our course CSC 102 Introduction to Problem Solving. My experience in the workshop is actually unexpectedly enlightening. Usually, when I see artworks or when I'm in contact with artworks, I don't know how to tell what's the message that it's conveying. But this workshop was able to open my eyes and understand the different problems that can be identified in such artworks. In my group, the artwork that we looked at was basically talking about the lack of communication that people have in different societies and groups. And we're able to find a problem and how we can develop a program that can bridge up this problem of communication in our society. So how I incorporated the workshop into the course Introduction to Problem Solving. Remember, the title of the workshop is a creative analysis and design. In problem solving, there are actually 4 steps in solving a problem, but we only took part of the first 2, that is analyzing the problem and designing an algorithm. The creative aspect was where we were giving different artworks, and analyzing the problem was where we had to analyze what the problem was in these different artworks and what it was trying to convey. At the end of the day, we were able to design an algorithm, and that's basically as thinking of how we can technologically solve that problem that we have already identified in the artwork.
My name is Desmond Moro. We have just concluded a workshop on creative analysis and design here at the Yemisi Shyllon Museum of Art. And the idea of the workshop was to expose the students to creative designs, which is something that forms part of a course that they are doing in computer science, a subject called problem solving in programming. Because one of the first steps in solving any problem in programming is to analyze the problem, and then you design an algorithm or design a structure for the problem. So we have participated here at the museum to use the object-based learning methodology that the Yemisi Shyllon Museum of Art promotes to analyze objects and then foster creative designs that could be used to represent this object. So one of the things that benefits the students from this exercise is the aspect of combining the technical competence from a subject like problem solving in programming to the object-based learning methodology that the Yemisi Shyllon Museum of Art promotes, and it has been a wonderful experience for everyone.